You know, when there's a pair of shoes you just can't let go of. Even though fashion has moved on, even though they technically look outdated, and even though they've been sitting in the darkest corner of your wardrobe for years. Well, these sandals were exactly that for me. And today I want to show you how I completely transformed them instead of throwing them away. Honestly, this has probably been the most challenging upcycling project I've done so far, but also one of the most satisfying. So, little backstory. I bought these wedges back in 2015. They were tan, genuine leather with a cork wedge heel, super classic, super wearable, and unbelievably comfortable. And if you know me, you know comfort and style have to coexist. I'm not suffering for fashion anymore. Those days are over, absolutely over, especially after 40, we choose peace. Anyway, I wore these sandals constantly for a couple of summers, but then trends started changing. Suddenly, summer shoes had either these really minimal narrow straps or completely covered fronts. And my sandals, they had that very wide peep toe opening that instantly made them feel dated. Now, personally, I don't believe we should obsess over trends, and this is something I always stress about. But accessories really do change the feeling of an outfit, and sometimes one outdated shoe can age an entire look. So eventually I stopped wearing them, not because I didn't love them anymore, but because they no longer felt like me. Still, I couldn't get rid of them. First of all, they were expensive, and second, the comfort level was honestly elite. So into the wardrobe they went, and there they stayed for years, until last spring. One day I pulled them out again and thought, what if I could somehow close the front opening a little? Not completely, just enough to modernize the shape, And immediately my brain went into project mode. My first idea was actually to add a tonal leather insert to the front, something clean and elegant that looked original to the shoe. So I went to my trusted shoemaker and he basically told me, nope, can't be done. The moment somebody tells me something creative can't be done, my brain turns it into a personal challenge. So naturally, I became completely obsessed with finding another solution. And then, completely by accident, I found this thick linen fabric in my mom's shop, and something clicked instantly. I thought, wait a second, what if fabric is actually the answer here? So I took the sandals home and started experimenting, very scientifically, obviously, by which I mean sitting on the floor surrounded by fabric scraps and confusion, of course. At first, I honestly wasn't sure it would work, but then I realized something really important. The leather already had stitching holes from the original construction, and that changed everything, because instead of forcing new holes through thick leather, I could actually use the existing ones to sew the linen onto the shoe, and surprisingly, the needle passed through pretty easily. At that point, I thought, okay, this might actually happen. Now, the only issue was securing the bottom part of the fabric properly, because I didn't want it lifting or moving while walking. So I ordered these little studs from Amazon and attached them along the lower front section to keep everything firmly in place. And honestly, that tiny detail made the whole project look intentional instead of homemade, which is always the goal. I tell you guys, it wasn't easy. After several hours of stitching, adjusting, retrying, and probably questioning my life choices once or twice, they were finally done. And I genuinely couldn't believe the difference. They certainly looked softer, more modern, more current, almost like a completely different pair of shoes, but still comfortable, still mine, still carrying their story. And I think that's what I love most about upcycling. It's not just about saving money, it's about giving something a second life instead of automatically replacing it. Especially nowadays when fashion moves so fast and we're constantly encouraged to buy more, sometimes creativity is actually more satisfying than shopping. So yes, this project definitely tested my passions, but I'm honestly so proud of how they turned out. And weirdly enough, I think I love them even more now than when I first bought them. So tell me in the comments, have you ever upcycled something in your wardrobe instead of replacing it? Because I have a feeling this may not be my last fashion rescue mission.